stop scrolling for few minutes. You are just one code away. Just one code away. And I know your time is so precious. I will not go in detail. Every video will be so short, on point. So let's start quickly. I'm not asking your much time. I'm just asking your 60 minutes. Please give your 60 minutes to me. Most of the people, आई थिंक वो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो ये सोचते हैं कि पहले सक्सेस मिल जाने दो, पहले एग्ज़ाम्स हो जाने दो, उसके बाद खुद पे फोकस करेंगे, उसके बाद चीज़ों को करेंगे लाइफ में. But let me tell you the reality. People just wait for a big moment to come. They always think let success come first and then we will do. यहीं पर मैक्सिमम लोग 99% लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं. एंड आई नो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू ट्रस्ट समवन, but can we please give a try? I'm not saying this will transform your life. Dreamishly is not for a false beliefs and false narratives, but Dreamishly is here to take you one step ahead where you are standing today. And I know, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है, it's completely difficult because you have a lot of pressure about your studies, about your career, about your exams, about your job. But I am not asking you much time, just 60 minutes, and that one code you have to crack it. If you will give your 1 hour of your time, your capacity of doing things, your mindset, the way you look at things will completely change. Your energy will be different. Just in few weeks, you will notice the different kind of energy in yourself. Your POV towards success, your point of view towards success will completely change. Within a week, you will realize how things work and how you are looking at things. So we will not take much time and we'll just start. Take long breath, sit in a calm place, put a headphones. There should not be any kind of disturbance because this time is for you, not for someone else. There should not be any disturbance from anyone. So first of all, if you are little scared and you have a self-doubt, say this 5 words before listening that to yourself. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am wise. People love me, people admire me. I can do anything in this world. I am so confident, I am beautiful, I am smart, and there is nothing which I cannot do. Just say this line to yourself 5 times and then listen my words. As I always say in my all videos, I am not a motivational speaker. I am a mentor who is trying to help people with lot of experience. No unrealistic things, no unrealistic promises and all. Okay, so you just need to crack that one code, which is 771. Note down 771. What is the 771? 7 stands for 7 days. Next 7 stands for 7 habits. 1 stands for 1 hour. You just need to do 7 days, 7 habits, 1 hour. Kindly don't skip any step. So first is 5 minutes of gratitude. जो है उसका शुक्र मनाओ, बिकॉज ग्रेटिट्यूड करने से स्ट्रेस कम होता है, कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता है और यूनिवर्स आपको और चीज़ें आपके वे पे देता है. ग्रेटिट्यूड से स्ट्रेस कम होता है और आपका फोकस बढ़ता है. यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू मोर एंड मोर बिकॉज यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर द थिंग्स you have or you don't have. So always be grateful for whatever you have, and even if you don't have, but if you want in your life, be grateful for the things. 5 minutes manifestation. जहाँ पहुँचना है पहले उसको अपने दिमाग में बिठाओ और डेली 5 मिनट्स उसको देखो. जहाँ पहुँचना है पहले अपने दिमाग में तो उस जगह पे जाओ, अपने आप को देखो उस जगह पे, तभी तो रियल लाइफ में उस जगह पे जा पाओगे ना. 5 मिनट्स जर्नलिंग. जो भी दिमाग में चल रहा है ना उसको एक पेपर पे लिख दो, बिकॉज लिखने से क्लैरिटी आती है और क्लैरिटी से काम फास्ट होता है. 5 मिनट्स डे प्लानिंग. आज पूरे दिन में क्या करना है ना एक पेपर पे लिख लो. जो भी तुम्हारा सबसे टफेस्ट काम है उसको सबसे पहले कर लो. एक वो उस कहावत सुनी है ना, लाइक ईट द फ्रॉग फर्स्ट. वॉट एवर यू फील इट्स हार्ड, डू इट इन द डे स्टार्ट. जब भी आपका डे स्टार्ट होता है उस काम को सबसे पहले करो, सबसे डिफिकल्ट है. तो रेस्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए चीज़ें बहुत सेटल आउट हो जाएगी. लिसन दिस बेस्ट लाइन. विदाउट प्लान के डे आपको कंट्रोल करता है, बट विद प्लान आप डे को कंट्रोल करते हो. तो नाउ इट्स योर चॉइस. यू वांट टू कंट्रोल योर डे और योर डे शुड कंट्रोल यू. सो इट्स ऑन यू. 5 मिनट्स गो go in kitchen, prepare your black coffee, because black coffee से whole day energetic feel होता है. You can have hot water as well. शांति से बैठ जाओ, 5 मिनट्स अपनी जो कॉफ़ी है उसको इंजॉय करो. थिंक अबाउट योर लाइफ, वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू. नो फोन, नो स्क्रॉलिंग, जस्ट सिट इन अ काम प्लेस, enjoy your black coffee and see yourself as a successful person. Manifestation is not something कि आपको एक जगह बैठ के 5 मिनट ही करना है. That is something which you can do anywhere, wherever you want. चलते फिरते, सोते जागते, खाते पीते, जब भी टाइम मिल रहा है ना, अपने आप को जैसा बनाना है ना वैसा देखो. जैसा सोचोगे ना वैसा ही बनोगे. तो ऑलवेज थिंक पॉजिटिव एंड ऑलवेज थिंक बिग. 30 minutes. I'm not asking you to go gym. I'm not asking you to do heavy workouts and all. Just, some kind of yoga you can do, some kind of activity you can do. 30 minutes, walk, jog, whatever you like. 30 minutes, just 30 minutes, not more than that. Because स्ट्रॉन्ग होने से माइंडसेट भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. और जो भी लोग अपने माइंड और बॉडी पे काम करते हैं ना, वो कभी अनसक्सेसफुल रह ही नहीं सकते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द बिग पीपल डू दैट ओनली, बट कोई बताता नहीं है कि हम लोग भी डेली ये स्टेप्स करते हैं. सो डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. इफ़ यू आर इन योर 20s, if you are a student, if you are in your college, don't do. And if you are doing a job and you want to start your business, you want to grow in your life, don't always give this 1 hour to yourself. Your mindset, your ability to do things, your POV towards success will completely change. That is my promise to you guys. Please do it 1 hour. Start from a week. Let me know in the comment section. Plan your how you will do things, when you will give this 1 hour to yourself. Plan it today, not tomorrow, just now. Not even today, just now. After this video, plan your day, plan your things, do daily 1 hour. After 1 week, if you are starting from tomorrow, tell me in comment sections. If you are going to start, say start with thumbs up. And after a week, come here and say the result, how you are feeling. You will be so confident and you will do things in 10x way. Your speed of doing things will completely get changed. And share this video to your friends, your family member, whoever need this video. And do let me know in the comment section if this really changes you, because this will help me a lot to make such videos. Because this whatever I am creating is just a lot with the experience, no unrealistic things, because things takes time. Nowadays we are just focusing on social media and we are just looking at things, but everyone knows that nothing is it's a rocket science. But things takes time, but it always happen with process. So just give your 1 hour. I'm just asking you 60 minutes, not more than that. Just crack this 771 code and hit the bell icon for such videos, and do subscribe my channel. See you soon.